Welcome back to Listen to Leo. In today's video, I wanted to give you a quick build in public update on the projects that I've been working on. So to recap, in case you didn't see it, I'm currently in the midst of a 12 products, 1 year, $150,000 challenge. So basically, I've been building out this open source software library called Choose Your Algorithm, and I want to use that to build out various products to showcase how flexible this kind of new idea of doing things can be. And when I was doing that, I realized it's hard to sell the idea of what I was doing with it, and so turn it into actual tangible products. And one of the people I happened to talk to early on was a realtor, and so the first product in this suite is called Talk Homie. It is a chatbot for realtors to build stronger connections with potential clients who visit their website. And the main idea here is to take not only the information on the site itself, but also information from outside sources all over the internet, whether it be created by the realtors or by other people, and use that to create a knowledgeable chatbot that can build a stronger relationship with a user so that by the time the user of the website actually talks to the realtor, that relationship is established and warmed up and ready to go. Realty is a relationships game, and I'm all about the relationships and using technology to make those stronger. So let's do it for realtors, shall we? Okay, so where are we at in the process? Right now, I have a chatbot that I can embed on someone's site. I have a product, an app set up to where the user can put in their website. The backend software scans said website, parses out all the information from the pages, and gives us a chatbot that we can interact with to test. And so that's kind of the easy part for me. I'm a software guy. I like building. Building's the easy part. You know what's hard? Marketing. And so I've been really focused on the marketing piece, and the focus this week, more so than building, has been cold outreach. I hate cold outreach. I'm not particularly good at it. But when you're building a business, sometimes it's something you've got to do. You've got to let people know that your product is out there. And something that somebody told me once is like, if you're building out this product that you truly believe is going to help them run their business more efficiently, more effectively, you got to tell them about it, right? Like, it's on you to let them know that this exists. And so from that standpoint, it's like, okay, I'm going to do the cold outreach. I'm going to send some emails. And so this week I've been focusing on sending emails. So the goal is to send out 5 a day to realtors. I'm starting with realtors in my area, hoping that, hey, we got this location-based relationship. Realtors, location, 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 location. And so we're going to see how that goes. It's just kind of in the early stages. Just have started sending those out over the last couple days. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully by the time you're watching this video, I'll have millions of dollars in revenue and realtors all over the world will be singing my praises. Probably not, but hey, you can dream, right? And so, yeah, going to see how all of that goes while continuing on the path of making the product better and better. I've really been exploring some ways to figure out how to make this chatbot as good as possible, because I really do believe that the standards are so low for existing chatbots. Let's put something better out in the world and figure out how to actually make this an effective piece of software. So that's where we're at. Still not making any revenue as of right now. Figuring out the pricing. Haven't decided exactly what I want to do there yet. I was thinking like $49, but the more I think about it, the more I think that's really underpriced, especially based on like the number of OpenAI API calls and the fact that I'm going to have to use GPT-4 for some things. Might have to increase that a bit. Probably going to start off lower for earlier adopters, but I decided to, instead of like having the pricing like obvious on the landing page like I did initially, I'm just working with the cold emails to get demos in place. Like, let me set up the demo and kind of based on how they're thinking about it, price it accordingly. One of the things I realized as I was going through, there's a bunch of like different size realty companies. Some of them have like 40 realtors and like all these web pages, versus some are like, hey, it's like a, small family owned thing. There's a couple of us and maybe like 10 properties. So I'm gonna have to probably figure out some sort of like tiered pricing, maybe usage based, but that's down the line. I've got to figure that out yet. And we'll see where that part goes. I think there's still a lot of opportunity here. It's gonna be a matter of getting in front of them and getting them to see the value, and proving out that it works. So that is the Build in Public update for this week. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.